Get ready. What I'm about to show you will completely change the way you think about creating content on YouTube. You probably see all these YouTube content creators around you who generate millions of views and make huge money. And you likely want to do it yourself, but there are several reasons why you haven't started yet or feel hesitant to begin. But what if I told you that recently, a small group of faceless channels has managed to completely dominate the AI niche on YouTube? We're talking about the kind of success that most creators only dream of. These channels have gained millions of views and thousands of subscribers without showing their faces. AI helps create content that grabs attention and keeps viewers coming back. It's not just about making videos, it's about building a system that runs 24/7, bringing in views, subscribers, and money automatically. So, are you ready to learn this method and start your own faceless YouTube channel? Well then, let's go. So first, it's important to understand why a faceless YouTube channel is a great alternative to the standard method. Anonymity and privacy. Not everyone wants to show their face on camera, and this type of channel is perfect for those who have a full-time job and don't want their face to be seen in a video. Additionally, not everyone has a talent for speaking or presenting. This is great for those who want to stay behind the scenes, avoid personal branding, or maintain their privacy. Time efficiency. By creating this type of channel, you can forget about the time needed to visually prepare yourself to be in front of the camera. You don't suddenly need to become an extrovert, have a good speaking voice, or be comfortable in front of the camera. No need to show your face, set up a camera, or worry about lighting and background. AI will generate scripts, voiceovers, and visuals quickly, allowing for mass content production. Monetization. And finally, why do people create YouTube videos in the first place? It's understandable that sooner or later, all video creators want to be monetized. So the most important question is, will my YouTube channel be monetized if I don't show my face and use an AI avatar instead? And the answer is yes. This niche is relatively new, but many content creators have already figured it out and are successfully running faceless YouTube channels using AI avatars. They earn several $1,000s per month and generate millions of views. So if everything is done correctly, your channel can be monetized while you remain anonymous. But don't worry, in the rest of the video, I'll explain how to create videos properly so they can be monetized later. So what is it that they're all doing? They use AI to create an image and then add animation and a voiceover to make it look like it's talking. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. First, we need to create our AI avatar, and we'll go for a realistic look. So we'll use Vadoo AI, one of my favorite tools for making high-quality images. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. The link is in the description below, and signing up is very easy. Now, here comes the first key requirement for creating videos that can be monetized. Most so-called free AI tools do not allow commercialization of the generated videos or images, as the free plan typically doesn't include a commercial license. Additionally, the free plan usually offers so few credits for usage that sooner or later, you'll have to switch to a paid plan anyway. Unfortunate reality is that if you want to take content creation seriously, you'll need to invest a little bit at the beginning. However, this investment will be really small, considering that you'll earn it back later, and eventually it will feel like nothing. After signing up, you'll need to choose from 3 paid plans. Initially, you can go for the cheapest option with a monthly plan. As you can see, the monthly plan currently offers a 50% discount for the first month, or you can choose the cheapest annual plan right away, which also comes with a big 30% discount. This starter plan will be more than enough, as it includes all the necessary features. And since you'll need to use this AI tool not only to create your talking AI avatar, but also for generating future AI videos, this is a very reasonable price. And the most important thing is that this will allow you to generate simply phenomenal high-quality images. And here's a useful tip. You can join their Discord to get free credits. After joining and asking for free credits, they will give you 50 free credits, which is more than enough to test this tool and generate your AI avatar. Then, when you're ready to become a serious content creator, you can switch to a paid plan. Okay, so once you're in, go to the image creation section and set the dimensions to 16 by 9. This ratio is ideal for YouTube videos and gives you enough space for editing. For the generation model, we'll use the Flux Realism model to create an avatar with a highly realistic look and detailed texture. Now type a prompt specifically for your avatar into the prompt box below and click Generate. You may need to try a few times to get the best result. Feel free to adjust the settings until you achieve the look you want. Once you're happy with the look, download the image. This will be the base for our talking avatar, and trust me, it's going to look amazing. Now let's bring it to life with a voice. This is an important step because the voiceover helps connect with the audience and makes the avatar feel real. For this, we're going to use ElevenLabs. First, go to ElevenLabs. The link is in the description below, and sign up if you don't have an account yet. Once you're in, go to the Voices section. ElevenLabs has many voices to choose from, so take your time to find one that fits your avatar's style and sounds natural. After choosing a voice, click Add, and then go to the Speech Generation section. Here, you'll enter your script. For this example, we'll use a few sample sentences, but for your own videos, have your full script ready. Paste your text into the box and listen to a preview to make sure it sounds good. If it sounds too robotic or flat, try shortening sentences or adding punctuation to improve the flow. Okay, let's try how this text sounds.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm excited to connect and help you bring your AI avatar to life. Let's dive in.
And that is perfect. Now here comes the second key requirement. If you're planning to monetize your videos, you need to be on a paid plan with ElevenLabs. The free plan doesn't include a commercial license, which is required for monetization. But don't worry, any paid plan gives you the license. If you're serious about growing your channel, it's a good investment. I regularly use ElevenLabs to create various videos, and it's definitely worth it. The speech quality is simply amazing every time, and this is the best speech generator available. Okay, so once you're happy with the voiceover, download the audio file. Now, we're ready to sync it with our AI avatar and bring it to life. For this, we'll use Heygen, an AI tool made for creating realistic talking avatars. It's easy to use and gives professional-looking results with little effort. First, go to Heygen and sign up if you haven't already. The link is in the description below. After logging in, click Create a Video and choose Start from Scratch. Select a landscape format to match the aspect ratio of your video. Next, upload your avatar by clicking Photo Avatar and selecting the image you made earlier. Once uploaded, add your voiceover by going to the Script section and clicking the icon to upload your audio file. Heygen will automatically sync your avatar's lip movements with the voiceover, making it look like it's speaking naturally. Once everything is ready, click Submit. It will take a few minutes to process, so be patient. When it's done, you'll have a fully animated avatar that looks great and speaks with the voice you made in ElevenLabs. But there's still more to do. To make the avatar stand out, we'll add some final touches in a video editing tool called Capcut. First, export the video from Heygen and open it in Capcut. The link is in the description below, so sign up if you don't have an account yet. Use the mask tool to remove the background or adjust the framing to fit your video. You can place the avatar in a corner or have it floating over a background image, whatever looks best for your content. In Capcut, you can add animations or effects to make your video more engaging. Try adding a subtle zoom-in effect or use the overlay feature to add text or visuals that interact with the avatar. These small details help keep your audience interested. Now that your avatar is animated and synced with the voiceover, it's time for the final touches to make your video look polished and professional. This is where everything comes together to make your video stand out. First, watch and review the entire video in Capcut from start to finish. Look for any spots where the animation needs smoothing or where the voiceover doesn't match the avatar's movements perfectly. Now let's talk about color grading. The colors in your video can greatly affect how your audience feels about it. If you have a theme or mood in mind, try adding a color filter to match it. For example, cool tones like blue and purple can give your video a modern, high-tech look that suits an AI-generated avatar. Also, think about the background. If your avatar has a transparent or cropped background, choose something that fits well behind it. You can use a solid color, a gradient, or even a moving background to add depth to your scene. Just make sure it doesn't take attention away from the avatar or your message. Finally, don't forget about sound. Background music can enhance your video, but it should support the voiceover without being too loud. Once you're happy with all the edits, it's time to export your video. Choose the highest resolution to keep your video clear, especially if you're uploading it to YouTube. And that's it. You've now made a fully animated talking avatar video with a professional voiceover and clean edits. Alright everyone, we went over a lot today. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of the game. Let's quickly go over what we've learned so you have a clear plan for creating viral talking avatars that can boost your YouTube content. From mixing AI with human creativity to using dynamic backgrounds and realistic animations, you now have the basics to create engaging professional avatars. These techniques will help your content stand out and connect with your audience. So, whether you're just getting started or aiming to improve your content, these methods give you the tools to create avatars that grab attention and engage viewers without the need to show your face. And this is just the beginning. In the next videos, I will show you how to create various viral videos, share with you different tricks and tips so that eventually your faceless YouTube channel becomes your main business and gets monetized. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.